Today I am here to give you a demo about FCP copy paste. Firstly, we will provide you a link and user ID password. All you have to follow some of the simple steps to log in. At first, you are required to open web browser, then go to tradersplanet.in. As here you can see, the link is getting started. Now you have to enter user ID and password for signing in into FCP copy paste. Here you can take a look on dashboard, which has following heads: My Task, Download Center, Payment and Invoice. What you have to do is simply go and click on FCP copy paste. Where you can see there are 14 fields and also with an URL. Then you have to click on URL, through which help you can easily fill the form with the appropriate information. So first, we have to fill website status, which will define the working and non-working status of the company. Next, we have to fill kind of business or business type. You can easily identify the business kind in About Us or profile of the company. Then you are required to mention about the company profile, which is therefore bifurcated in two subheads, yes and no. After selecting yes, the next field is company name, which you have to copy from the website and paste it in the form. Then comes the country name. You can easily find the name of the country in the contact column or from the address of the company. After that, you are required to fill company address, which you can get from the contact page. After that, you have to fill first email ID. Simply copy it from the website and paste it in the form. After that, you have to fill phone number and kindly remove extra or special characters like plus, minus, space, country code, etc. Then the next fill is company fax. Same conditions are applied to fill company fax. After that, you have to fill the secondary email ID if mentioned on the website. Then you have to check the product of that particular company. Here we can see number of products are mentioned, but we can choose between 1 to maximum 3 products. Then go to working panel and select number of product, image of product and description of product. Then comes the remarks section. It's all about your choice. You can either comment related to website or leave it blank. And then finally, you have to click on submit. Thereafter, you will receive a notification URL successfully submitted. Then click OK. Also, if you want to check your record and how much work you have done, you can click on second link My Work Detail and can easily note your data. After that, you can also analyze quality check report section, where you can check the quality of your own individual work. So this was all about our copy paste online project. Thanks for watching.